Welcome back, YouTube enthusiasts. Today, we have an eye-opening topic that affects 99% of YouTubers out there. Are you ready to uncover the reason behind their failure and learn how to avoid it? Let's dive right in. Hey everyone, and in this video, we'll discuss the critical factor that leads to failure for many aspiring YouTubers. But don't worry, we'll also provide you with valuable tips to ensure your success. So let's get started. According to recent studies, 99% of new YouTubers fail to achieve their goals and eventually give up. It's a staggering number, isn't it? But what is the primary reason behind this high failure rate? The biggest culprit is none other than lack of consistency. Consistency plays a vital role in building an audience, establishing your brand, and gaining traction on YouTube. Without it, your chances of success decrease significantly. Let's take a moment to analyze why lack of consistency leads to failure. First and foremost, irregular upload schedules confuse your audience. They don't know when to expect new content from you, leading to disengagement and a decrease in views and subscribers. Furthermore, inconsistent content quality can damage your reputation. If you release a highly engaging video one week and a poorly executed one the next, viewers might lose faith in your ability to deliver value consistently. Consistency is like the backbone of a successful YouTube channel. It builds trust, establishes expectations, and keeps your audience coming back for more. But how can we ensure consistency? Here are some practical tips to help you maintain consistency on YouTube. 1. Create a content schedule. Plan your video releases and stick to a regular upload schedule. Let your audience know when to expect new content. 2. Batch filming and editing. Dedicate specific days for filming and editing multiple videos in one go. This way, you'll have a backlog of content, ensuring a consistent release schedule. 3. Set realistic goals. Don't overcommit yourself. Start with a schedule you can realistically maintain, whether it's one video per week or one video every 2 weeks. 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, encourage feedback, and listen to your viewers. Building a community will foster loyalty and keep them engaged. Consistency might seem challenging, but let me assure you that it's worth the effort. Let's take a look at some inspiring YouTubers who achieve success through consistent dedication and hard work. These creators maintained a consistent upload schedule, improved their content over time, and built a loyal audience that eagerly awaited their videos. They turned their passion into a thriving channel, and you can too. Remember, if you want to be part of the 1% that succeeds on YouTube, consistency is the key. By implementing these tips and committing to a regular upload schedule, you're setting yourself up for success. Subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.